Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, in today's project, I'll be showing you how I made a very beautiful coily wig, 100% synthetic expression attachment with just crochet pin on a wig cap. The outcome was incredible and amazing. So without any other interruption, how I went from this to this, to this. So this hair is incredible. I love this hair. The outcome is so mind-blowing. I didn't expect it to be this good, but it came out real good. Because I always, like, you're going to save a lot of money, you're going to save a lot of coins. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this adorable wig you're seeing on my head. I just used an attachment or extension. I used crochet pin. I used the wig cap. Like, you're going to save a lot of coins making it yourself. And if you can't really make it yourself, you can actually contact me. My WhatsApp number will be there. You can follow me on IG. I'll leave all my handles there. You can contact me. Feel free to call me, and you will really get it at an affordable price. You're really going to get it at an affordable price. So the outcome is amazing. This wig is giving, 100% giving. So some people will be like, it's not going to last. See, no wig is going to last without any maintenance. You have to maintain your hair. You're going to need a leave-in conditioner, miracle conditioner, olive oil conditioner. Then you just have to like treat it like every 2 weeks so that the coils will be intact. And don't keep your wig in a very rough place, so you'll be able to like make it stay longer, and your wig will be as explosion net. I started from the back. I used 4 strands of hair for the back. Then for the middle I used 3. Then getting to the front, I used 1 to make it look more natural and more non-artificial. So that's what I did. You really want to take your time and do this process. You really want to take your time. So you will use a crochet pin, a very tiny crochet pin. You can choose any wig cap you want to use, but I decided to use this one. This one is more suitable for the occasion and is more easy to use, because the elastic one isn't that. I don't prefer it at all. So you want to use your crochet pin and your extension. You want to put it inside the wig cap and just do it naturally. You have to take your time. You have to be a really patient person. You have to cover it round, like cover it, do a really good job, so that when people see it outside, they'll be like, wow girl, I love your wig. And you want to see like the front of the wig cap is actually a different style. You want to use your crochet pin and make a good work so that your wig cap won't break, and you want to do it so neatly that when you're outside, people will be like, girl, I love your wig. Yeah, finally I'm done. So I said to myself, why don't I coil this wig, because it's going to be very beautiful when I coil it. And I decided to coil it. So you need a flexi rod and hot water to coil it. Thank you. To achieve this exact look, you need a flexi rod or coily rollers. Then you put it in hot water with a leave-in conditioner. Girl, you are beautiful.